So this engine was built about 1885.
Well, sometime before 1885.
Step over here a little bit.
You want the engine or me?
You. Well, we got both of us. Okay. And tell me again, built about sometime before 1885.
Built sometime before 1885. It was built in Newark by a Watts Campbell company. It spent its life in Allentown, Pennsylvania.
What was it doing over there?
It was at Albright & Sons Manufacturing. They made wrought iron pipe and tubing.
Ah, so this was compressing some steel out somehow.
No idea. Again, this ran a line shift. This engine is different than the other ones. All the other ones have a flywheel and a belt. This one only has the one wheel. It's 10 foot in diameter. It weighs about 7,000 pounds, but the belt was on that also. But that wheel serves two purposes. It's a big engine. It's 110 horsepower, and it uses a lot of steam, so we don't run it very often.
This is at jacktown.com, or you'd find them Google Blue Mountain Antique Gas and Steam Engine Association. They're near Bangor, Pennsylvania, and they have several shows every year. Check the website. And your name is?
I'm Mike.
This is Mike.